Hi guys, welcome to Trini Vegan. Let's make some delicious vegan brownies.
Let's shift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence. Feel the wind as it touches your lips. Feel the sun as you close your eyelids. Think of a place where there's only brightness. Take me by the hand and we'll try to find it. Time stands still as we lie and daydream. It feels so real, can you see what I see? Let's shift away from this world of madness. Take a little time to enjoy the silence. Feel the wind as it touches your lips. Feel the sun as you close your eyelids. Think of a place where there's only brightness. Take me by the hand and we'll try to find it. Time stands still as we lie and daydream.
Look how beautiful they look. I'm going to take the spatula and give it a little taste. You need to wait until the brownies cool completely before cutting them, otherwise they will fall apart. I was not very patient because I wanted to know how they will turn out and went ahead and cut them while they were warm. I made a special dessert for my husband JB and I added these brownies to homemade vegan ice cream and my goodness, it was a hit. However, if you want them to be really firm, just wait until they cool down completely. And now the official taste. You have to try this recipe. They are so delicious and comforting, you won't be disappointed. They have a nice shiny crust on top and a fudgy, chewy center. You will love it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you again in my next video.